Okay, today's either the 10th or the 11th of January 2023. My car makes a weird clicking noise. It's I believe it's also affecting the speaker. Like if I play music, that channel tends to go out. If I'm playing music, the left tweeter and sometimes the mid-range down there tends to go in and out, and it drives me crazy, especially like when I'm listening to YouTube videos. Can you hear it? So I'm thinking it's something behind the dash that's maybe shorted or loose, that's causing the speaker, or causing that clicking sound, and then causing the speaker to go in and out. Let's test the speaker out. You can hear it right there.